Hey guys, Hinge is a great dating app, but today I'm going to show you how to get Hinge Premium for free, guys. So this is the paid subscription. You'll be able to see who likes you, all that good stuff. So what you need to do is go to this website right here, ogsnags.com, bro. This is the page. So once you're on this site, go to the search bar and type in Hinge. And as you can see, it says Hinge Premium for free. So go ahead and press on, and it's going to bring up this page right here. You can see that there were actually 29 people who already used these codes today. So we're going to go ahead and press show coupon code. So let me just do that right here. And it's going to load this page. So anyway, guys, once it loads up, what you want to do is just go ahead and press get full code. It's going to bring you over to this page, and it basically asks you for your email address. So make sure you go ahead and put that in, and then they're going to send you the code. So it's really easy. But I want to show you guys, after you do this, it is going to bring you to a page like this where you got to register. So don't get scared or anything. This is totally normal. So make sure you fill this out. And then finally the deal page comes up, right? So you might be asked to do a little survey. You do the survey. Nice. But then we got the deals. So the deals are easy. It says complete one deal to continue. We got this Monopoly Go where we have to reach board level 10. So make sure you do that. And then you will get the free Hinge Premium. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. You literally just gotta fill this out. It's very simple. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, no problems at all. So this is super cool, guys, and I mean, it's totally updated and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys wanted to get free Hinge Premium. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.